My mother is an old-fashioned cook, and no matter what I say, I could never convince her to use the electric, pressure, and air fryer. That's why I'm making this video to demonstrate how easy it is to use it compared to the traditional one. So this is the Ninja Foodi 6.5 quart, and I use it to cook various kinds of food and not only pressure the meat and chicken. Let's start with the pressure. This is the lid for the pressure, and this is the lid for the air crisp, which we call the air fryer, and it's attached to the Ninja Foodi. Let's start with the pressure. You need to start the Ninja and then press on pressure and then choose the temperature. I usually leave it on high, and then you need to choose the time. Really depends on what you're cooking and the instructions that comes with it. And then you need to grab the lid, the pressure lid, and you see this little triangle here? You need to meet it with a triangle on the Ninja Foodi, and then you twist and it clicks. Then you turn the pressure on seal, and once it's done, you need to vent it by turning it into vent, and once the red button goes down, you release the pressure and then you can open it safely like this. Sometimes I use this metal basket to put vegetables while air pressuring the meat or the chicken, and it will come out delicious. Other uses is the air fryer. You take the basket, turn it and put it down, and then you lay the nuggets or the chicken breast on it without oil or anything, just the seasoning, and then you choose air crisp, and it's giving me to shut, so we need to close the lid down. Choose the temperature. Usually I leave it on 390, and then choose the time. For the chicken nuggets that you buy at Costco, if you read on the bag, it doesn't need more than 12 to 15 minutes, and then you press on start. You can also open the lid to turn the chicken on the other side and then reclose it while air crisping. Other uses are the saute or sear, and I use it to cook the food without air pressure or air frying. I just remove the basket and I put the meat or the potato or anything I want, the vegetables, and I turn in the saute sear and I heat it with a little bit of oil, just like on the stove top, and then you can pressure it if you want after you're done with the saute. Other uses are the steam. You can steam the rice or the vegetables. You can also bake or roast, and you can broil the food to heat it from up, or you can slow cook the food inside it. Those 4 or like 5, including dehydrating, I've never used them. I only use the 3: air crisp, pressure, and saute. Thank you for watching. To make sure you stay up to date with my latest videos and cool tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you.